Windows customization tool. So the tool here I'm talking about is none other than the rain meter itself. As you can see, you can simply search it in your any of your browser, and once you get in your browser, you can simply type in rain meter, and it's basically a tool which allows you to display the customizable skins on your desktop, which basically allows you to customize your desktop screens according to your one choice, user's choice. So once you do that, and likewise you can also read about its menu over here and what functions it performs more and not more. And let me show you in one example. As you can see in my screen, these are all customizable desktops created using the rain meter application itself. From itself, as you can see, you can make your PC look very classy and pretty much customizable and give it a new look for its fast performance. And just make sure you have more than 8 GB of RAM for it, because it will be boosting your speed a lot while after you download rain meter application. So that is it, guys. That is exactly how you can customize your application using a free customization tool, that is rain meter, which is also available in Windows 11. So hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next